If you want to try SEMrush before paying for a subscription, there is a special free trial available through the link in the description or pinned comment. Rather than signing up directly through the standard SEMrush website, use that link to access the trial offer and explore the platform for yourself. This gives you the chance to test the tools and decide whether SEMrush suits your website, business, or digital marketing strategy. SEMrush is a widely used SEO and online marketing platform that brings a range of useful features together in one place. You can use it to find new keywords, research competitors, monitor search rankings, analyze backlinks, audit your website, improve your content strategy, and identify potential growth opportunities. During the trial, you can explore the available features, perform your own keyword and competitor research, check your website for SEO issues, and see how the platform could help improve your traffic, leads, and search engine visibility. There is no need to commit before seeing how it works. Simply test the platform during the trial period and decide whether it provides enough value for your goals. To claim the SEMrush free trial, click the special link below and follow the sign-up instructions shown on the page.